What's it's happen could be also a limitation in my research, so don't worry. Okay, thank you to be here. I'm excited to present our work as structure framework for client and professional collaboration in renovation project using AR, VR technology. I'm Simone, PhD student at the Politecnico di Milano, and today I'm speaking for my colleagues from Politecnico di Milano and other startup Restruttura 3D, DesignHome VR that help with this work. It's not just about a use of VR, ER technology, but it's a new approach, and with this new approach we want to solve or try to solve some actually problem in renovation process, and we are actually currently applying for a patent. Everyone who has renovated their home or their floor knows that there are some variables that are difficult to manage in terms of cost estimates, timeline, final design results. These due to some problems like fragmentation communication between stakeholders, low client involvement. Often they remain passive in the design process in general, in all the renovation process. We can think it like you buying a car, you can only see outside, you cannot sit inside or test drive it. The result is unclear, unsure decision. This leads us to formulate a research question. We start with a very simple question. What if a client could experience his renovated home before starting work? And to answer it, we analyzed 2 important points for us. The first of all, the possibility for the stakeholders involved to work together and make a decision together. And the second one, the possibility for all the stakeholders involved to understand the project, because often the stakeholders are not technician or architecture engineer, so it could be difficult for them to understand part of the project or the entire project. From this consideration, the final research question becomes what are the benefits and critical issues of adopting an immersive collaborative approach compared to traditional renovation method in the construction. So let me share our case study in Bologna, Italy. A 90 square meters floor with 8 rooms. It was for sale with a traditional method, 2D photo and some plans. And the clients were stakeholders, the clients were investors. They want to renovate it and rent it out. So we used before the traditional approach. After that, we replicate the process with the new immersive structure approach. And then we compare the results in terms of limits and new possibility of this approach. The framework it's made from work with 5 main levels. The cloud platform where the users log in and upload their personal data. The interactive dashboard where the users configurates the different variables, of course, because renovated process has different inputs and also different outputs. 3D engine and intelligent assistant, we want to work with this part in the future. Actually, it's not finished. Immersive interface where the user could be chose different approach, different level of immersiveness, for example, smartphone or VR headset and so on. And immersive collaboration because the platform gives also the possibility to collaborate, so work together and make a decision together in the same space. What we obtain, it's not just about a simple platform or use of immersive technology, but it's a new approach where the users have the possibility to make decision not just about what they feel or imagining and guessing, but what they see and feel in the immersive simulation. This it's a video example. I have also possibility when we finished the calls to try it, this demo. And the users could be scanning his floor and then can change materials, furniture, and other elements like doors, windows. And in the real time, also we have the possibility to analyze the final cost estimates, because for every category we have the unit price, and this gives the possibility to have under control also this part during our immersive simulation. In terms of discussion results, so we analyzed some aspects in terms of traditional design time, because we reduce it from 10-50 days to 2-3 days in the structure framework. Estimates accuracies remain the same, but with the structure approach, we have a real-time update without a manual intervention, so we don't have to spend time on it when we change something. And the user experiences, because of course we change who can participate on the process and how can they participate in the renovated process. Of course, like every innovation, like every research, there are some limitations and problems. We have divided in 4 parts. Methodological, because we used only one case study, and we used only typology, residential. Technological, because of course there are structural problem, technological problem in terms of hardware and software that we know, and also because we have different margin of error when in survey, if we're using LiDAR or hybrid software for the scanning phases, and also because we cannot handle regional cost variation or predict future market fluctuation in cost estimates. Users' experiences, also it's another problem, because we have different stakeholders involved. Some are struggle with VR, AR technology, some other are free-handled with it, so it's another aspect, important aspect about it. And then privacy and security in terms of GDPR compliance when the users upload their personal data in the platform. From these limitations, so we structure our future research direction in terms of short-term goals to adaptive user interface. It's necessary to improve the possibility for everyone to use the platform, so make a more flexible platform. Comprehensive testing improve the number of case studies and also typology, for example, not only residential but office and so on. And data security enhancement for GDPR compliance and security data. In long-term goals, instead, we want to improve the possibility for to handle the regional cost variation, predict future market fluctuation when we structure our cost estimates, and scanning accuracies, integrating a scanning system without LiDAR, because could be expensive, or not all the tools that we used have the LiDAR, or also mixed method could be another choice, and advanced AI assistant for the next future, for step-by-step guidelines and complete design support or part of problem during the renovation process. So to conclude, with this new approach, we have developed a new language of collaboration. It's not just innovation, it's a transformation we work together. It's not a technological-centric framework, but a human-centric one that make renovation more clear, faster, and democratic for everyone. Thank you.